Today we have a 2015 435. We'll be installing a BMS air intake. It's fairly simple. We're gonna take off that clamp. You got 4 clips here. We're gonna unclip that and we're gonna undo this. Alright, now that we have this off, we're gonna unbolt the mass airflow and we're gonna bolt into the new one. These 2 bolts here. Alright, once we have everything switched over and on, mass airflow sensor installed, filter on, you're gonna want to come over here and out of the 4 clips, you're gonna want to remove 3 of them and just leave this one in because you're gonna have a bracket that installs onto it here and it clips in, and then that one bolts onto the bottom of the intake over here to stop it from moving around. Alright, and that's it. Put it back together. Don't forget to clip that in, make sure it's in here, tighten that up, and yeah, all done.